Let's go ahead and talk about how easy this was to put together this dining room table. Now, we received this one. This is the large farmhouse dining room table for 6 to 8 people, and it's going to be the 78.7 inches long rectangular wood dinner table. We have got this dominium here for an Airbnb. In this room, we're going to kind of make into like a dining area room. So I'm going to show you how quickly this is to put together. First off, everything comes in one box. Everything came well wrapped, very protected. I wasn't worried about edges being messed up. Even in transit, the box had a little bit of a hole in it, like something had gone through a piece of it. Everything was covered in foam. Nothing got scratched or dented, so I was highly appreciative of that. This is an extremely heavy box. It is going to take 2 people to lift it, or someone who can seriously lift a good sized box because it's heavy. I was worried about the quality of this table, but after opening it up, unwrapping everything and starting to put these pieces together, I realized that it's a very quality made table. This isn't your cheap particle board. This is heavy duty material. So each piece is going to have a little bit of weight to it, which is a great thing because that just means it's more quality made and it's going to look, a lot better than the cheap kinds of furniture. Everything was clearly labeled. So instructions, I'm going to show you as we go through here. Super simple and easy. Anyone's able to do this. It did take me some time. There are a lot of little screws, and it's going to come with the Allen wrench on one side and a Phillips head screwdriver on the other. So you will want to use that. You may even want to use a drill for some pieces. Just make sure that the piece goes in perfectly straight, okay? A lot of these are very basic. If you have put together furniture before, you understand how to do this. Very simple. The coloring I liked. It is that lighter color oak. This is in natural, just for reference. And it's going to go great with the panel walls in this dominium. So I'm super excited about that. I love the color already, and it looks great with the black cement floor. So as you can tell here, it's going to have the extra braces underneath, and that's for added support. I really like that because I didn't want the table over time to go in the center. So this is a very nice thing to have. I think it turned out fabulous. I really like that it's kind of modern yet rustic, and it goes perfectly with the dominium decor. I really like this. I think that if you're looking for a new kitchen table, this would be a great one to get.